Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a unboxing with you with this month's Boxycharm. It's September's Boxy Luxe, and it came in this box here. It's a huge box. But I got some really cool items, so I thought it'd be fun to just do an unboxing with you guys, show you guys what I got in my variation of the box, and kind of do some swatching, show you what I got. So let's go ahead and get started. So one of the first things I got is actually the lipstick that I'm wearing right now. It's by Stila. It's the Stay All Day Liquid Lipstick. I got it in the shade Rubino, and I actually really like it. I feel like it's a really good shade for fall, and it's super comfortable wearing it as well. It says it lasts up to 12 hours. I haven't tested that out, but I've really been wanting to try some of the Stila products, so I'm excited that I got this. And it came, like I said, it came at the perfect time since I really feel like it'll be a good shade for fall. And this by itself normally retails for $22. The next product that I got is actually an eyeshadow palette. So in my box I got the Violet Voss Essentials palette, and this was actually the one that I was hoping for, so I'm really glad that I got it because it just has really pretty shades. You can kind of see them there. Like this green I think is so pretty, and it has glitters and mattes, and they are a little bit darker shades, so I feel like this too will be really good for fall. So I'm glad I got this one. Plus it just has a few different colors that I feel like I don't have in other palettes. So I'm excited to try this out. I'm gonna swatch this for you guys real quick. So I went ahead and swatched that palette here. I hope you guys can see all the shades. I think my favorite is definitely the green, like the emerald. I just think it's such a pretty color. And it has like gold reflex in it too. I'm really excited to create a look with that. And actually this one, which is called like Dusty Rose, I was surprised by the color. It didn't stand out to me in the palette, but once I swatched it, I just thought it was so pretty. But all of these are super creamy, really buttery. I'm really excited to use them. I just feel like they're gonna create some really cool looks. So this palette I'm definitely excited about, and this one normally is $29 by itself. The next product that I got is actually by Dr. Brandt, and through Boxycharm actually is how I found out about the Dr. Brandt products, but everything that I've tried by them I really like. And so I'm sure this won't be any different. I'm really excited. It's the Hydrobiotic Recovery Sleeping Mask, and I'm excited for this. I've actually was thinking that I needed to try to find like a good sleeping mask, and just haven't spent the time really looking into them too much. I just started thinking about it, and then I saw that we were getting this one in the box, so I'm really excited to try it out. Like I said, I've tried a face wash by them that I really like, as well as an under eye cream, a primer, and I feel like there was another mask that I tried that was more of like an exfoliating mask, and everything's worked out so well. And this normally is $52 by itself. This by itself is actually the cost of the entire box, so it's definitely worth the price. I don't know if you guys have heard much about Boxycharm or if you've thought about getting it. It's definitely something that I recommend just because it's such a good value and you get to try so many different products. So I love getting mine every month, but I will definitely be trying this one out probably tonight. I also got this Hank & Henry Slick With It liquid eyeliner, and I haven't tried this yet. Let me see. Oh, I like the tip. It's like a felt tip almost. It says it's in the shade Blickety Black. Oh, I really like how that tip is. I feel like making wings will work so well with this. I haven't tried it yet. This will definitely be something I'll probably be trying this weekend as well. A wing is definitely like a go-to for me lately, so I'm gonna be trying this one out. And this product's normally $20. All right, next I got this palette by Tarte. It's the Park Avenue Princess palette, and I actually saw this when this came out, and I thought it looked really nice, all the different shades that it has. They call it like a chisel palette. It has all these different bronzer shades, as well as like these like brightening shades for like the under eyes, what I'm assuming those are for. Like bronzy highlighter shades too, so you can like put, if you want a little bit of glitter for your bronzer. I did actually use this today for my makeup look. I just did a pretty simple makeup look, but I did use this bronzer. I used this shade here right in the middle called Princess Cut. So I really like how it turned out. It was really creamy, and I feel like it applied on my skin really well. So I'm excited to keep using this. Definitely always need to try out new bronzers. I feel like I always stick to the same one, which is the Hoola bronzer, just because I know I like it, so then I don't venture out. So I'll definitely be venturing out and trying this more. This by itself normally retails for $45. I have a couple products left. The next product is actually probably what I'm most excited about in the box, which is the Sunday Riley Brightening Enzyme Water Cream. So it's just a really good moisturizer. I have been wanting to try these Sunday Riley products for the longest time, and I just haven't bit the bullet and bought the products, honestly, is all it is, because they're kind of expensive, so I've been unsure if it's worth it. So I'm excited to try this one out and just see how it is. It says it's a lightweight oil-free gel cream moisturizer for instantly glowing dewy skin. So it has 2 forms of advanced hyaluronic acid that infuse water into the skin and refining papaya enzymes to smooth the look of textured or dehydrated skin. So I'm going to be trying this out. I'm really excited to see how it works out. I'm always on the hunt for like a good moisturizer. I do have one that I really like, and I ventured out and tried something else and I didn't like it. So now I was gonna just go back to the one I like. Now that I've gotten this, I'm gonna try this out for a while and see what I think. So if you guys are interested, I will let you guys know what I think. Just let me know down in the comments below if you'd like to hear me like come back on this product, or really any of the products, but this especially just because I'm so excited. But I'll be trying this one out for sure. And this by itself normally retails it for $65. The last 2 products I got are actually for your hair. So I got this product here, which is by Sutra, and it's just a curling wand. There's no clip or anything on it. I usually don't use curling wands. I usually do use a curling iron with the clip. I've heard these are so much better though, so I'm excited to try it out. I did use it on my hair today, and I feel like my hair looks pretty good, considering this was after I got off work, took my hair out of a ponytail. So I feel like it turned out pretty good, but I'm definitely gonna have to keep trying this and seeing what I think. But I feel like it gave me really like loose waves, which is what kind of the look that I like to go for, because it's a little bit more of like a messy, wavy look, kind of like that beach hair look. I'm gonna have to keep using this. I'm definitely not a pro, but I feel like my hair turned out pretty good, so I'm excited. And this by itself normally retails for $65. All right, the last product that I got is also for your hair. Like I said, this is by IGK, and it's the Mistress Hydrating Hair Balm. And let me tell you, I need this. My hair is so dry and so damaged because, I mean, I'm not naturally blonde, in case you didn't know. So therefore I've been bleaching my hair, and even though my mother-in-law has been doing everything she can to not damage my hair as much as possible, it's just like gonna happen a little bit. So this is a leave-in conditioner that I will definitely be using quite a bit to see how well it works. It says it helps to make dry, coarse, and frizzy hair and make it smooth, soft, and hydrated. So I am definitely going to be using this quite a bit and seeing what I think. Plus I've heard this brand, I haven't personally used it, but I've heard this is a pretty good brand. I know a lot of people use a variety of their products, so I'm excited to try out this product as well. I feel like I keep saying that for everything, but honestly I love trying out new stuff. So that's part of why I love Boxycharm so much, is just because I can always try out new things. And this product by itself retails at $29. Alright, so that is everything that I got in my Boxycharm. I'm very satisfied with everything that I got. There's not really anything that I was disappointed that I got. It's all stuff that I will definitely be using and trying out, and a lot of stuff that I'm really excited to try out too. So I'm happy with this variation. I know there's always a few variations, and it's always kind of up in the air if you're gonna like it or not, which I guess is with any of these subscription boxes. You never know if you're really gonna like it. But I'm excited for everything. I'm gonna be trying it all out. Plus just the deal, it was such a good deal. I paid like 50, I think it's like 52, 53 after taxes is what it comes out to be. And if I were to buy all this stuff individually, it would have been $327, which is crazy. Like the amount of money that I saved by doing this, especially stuff like, I thought about trying this one out in the first place, and like a sleeping mask and the Sunday Riley. All these different products are things that I've thought about getting anyways, or getting something similar. So I'm super excited that I got them and I can try them out, and I didn't pay the full price for them. But I might be trying to do these unboxings more often. I feel like I kind of got away from them. But I hope, if this is something that you like, definitely let me know down below. Or as I always say, if there's anything that you guys would like to see, just let me know. I'm always up for suggestions. I have a few ideas planned and a couple things in the works, especially with Halloween coming. I've already started looking at different Halloween makeup looks that I want to do with you guys and share to my channel. So make sure that you subscribe so that you don't miss anything like that. And give this video a thumbs up, and I will talk to you guys next time. Bye. Thanks for watching.